I often close my eyes and I can see you smile. You reach out for my hand and I'm walking from my dream. And though your heart is mine, it's hollow inside. I never had your love and I never will. And every night I lie awake, thinking maybe you love me like I always love you. But how can you love me like I love you when you can't even look me straight in my eyes? I never felt this way, to be so in love, to have someone there, yet feel so alone. Aren't supposed to be the one to wipe my tears, the one to say you would never leave. The waters come and still my reflection is there. I see you holding me, but then you disappear. All that is left of you is a memory, one that only exists in my dreams. I don't know